Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, today we will start a very interesting chapter of your book Literature Reader, Unit 9, and the name of the chapter is Raising Scorpion. Now this chapter is very interesting, very humorous and full of fun. You will really enjoy reading this chapter. So let's start with the chapter. So in the last lecture we have discussed about the writer of this chapter, that is Gerald Durrell, and we have seen he was one of the naturalist, conservationist, okay, and a animal lover, you can say. Okay, so this story is about him only. So let's start the story. Now, in the first para of the story, you will find about a very unusual creature. You will find the description of about a very unusual creature, that is scorpion. So, first para is related to that only. Now, let's start. The shyest and most effacing of the wall community were the most dangerous. You hardly ever saw one unless you looked for it. And yet there must have been several hundreds living in the cracks of the wall. So these lines are indicating about the scorpion, which are considered as the very shyest, ठीक है, जो शर्माते हैं, and self effacing. Self effacing means होता है making oneself insignificant, means whenever they encounter somebody, they come in contact with somebody, so they try to hide themselves, मेकिंग देम इनसिग्निफिकेंट. ठीक है, वो वहाँ से हट जाते हैं, गायब हो जाते हैं और अपने आप को कहीं छुपा लेते हैं. ओके, सो मेकिंग देम इनसिग्निफिकेंट. सो एंड if you want to see these creatures, you can find these creatures in the cracks of the wall. You will find them several hundred of them living in the cracks of the walls. जो वॉल की क्रैक्स होती हैं, जहाँ पे प्लास्टर बेटा लूज हो जाता है. सो व्हाट हैपन, इफ़ यू take out the plaster, or you if you will try, you can get the glimpses of such type of creatures. There are other also which live in the cracks of the wall, but here we are mainly focused about the scorpion. Slide a knife blade carefully on a piece of a loose plaster and level it gently away from the brick, and there क्राउचिंग बीनीथ इट. नाउ क्राउचिंग मीन्स होता है रेंगना, ठीक है, उसके नीचे आपको when you will take a plaster with a knife blade or with any pointed tool, then you can find these creatures living beneath that. Would be little black scorpion, an inch long, looking as though he made out of polished chocolate. So they appear as if they were made up of polished chocolate. Like the chocolate is dark brown color, in the same way they also appear. They were weird looking things with their flattened oval body. So this is the explanation, this is the morphological explanation of the creature scorpion, कि they are weird looking, अजीब से होते हैं, with flattened oval bodies. Crooked leg means टेढ़े पैर होते हैं इनके. Enormous crab like claws means पंजे जो है crab like होते हैं. Bulbous neatly jointed and armor cover, जो उनकी covering होती है, about that. द टेल लाइक अ स्ट्रिंग ऑफ ब्राउन बीड्स, बीड्स जो होते हैं उसकी तरह बिल्कुल टेल होती है, जैसे लगता है कि वो एक पतली सी जैसे माला होती है, उसमें मोतियाँ पिरोए रहते हैं. इन द सेम वे ब्राउन कलर की बीड्स हैं. एंडिंग लाइक अ रोज थॉर्न, जैसे रोज़ में जो है कांटे से लगे रहते हैं. सो इट अपीयर लाइक दैट. द स्कॉर्पियो would lie quietly as you examined, raising his tail in an almost apologetic gesture of warning if you breathed too hard on him. So if you try to what you can say कि interfere in their life, so they will warn you with their tail वो रेस करके आपको एक साइन देंगे वार्निंग का कि मुझसे दूर रहो. Because as you all know, if we talk about animals in general, so animals जो हैं they don't harm except and unless you interfere with them, then only they harm. But yes, we can't trust on them. That is also the thing. So if you kept him in the sun too long, he would simply turn his back and walk away. So these are the shyest creature, as we have already discussed in the beginning. Okay, and they don't like socialism, you can say. And if you keep, or you can say, they don't like light, they don't want any light to be focused on them. So if you keep them on the in the sun for too long, so they will move from that place, and they will slide slowly but firmly under another section of plaster. वो जगह छोड़ के वो किसी दूसरी जगह चले जाएंगे. Okay, now let's start. I grew very fond of these scorpion. Now the first para was totally about the description of this scorpion. Now the narrator, that is the author, is narrating his story only. He grew very fond of these scorpion. I found them to be pleasant, unassuming creatures with, on the whole, the most charming habit. So unassuming means क्या होता है? Number, modest means, according to Gerald Durrell, or Gary, you can say. So according to him, they are the most charming. They are the most charming creatures, and they are unassuming creatures. Okay, provided you and their provided you did not do silly or clumsy, like putting your hand on one. The scorpion treated with you respect, that one desire being to get away or hide as quickly as possible. Now next, they found me rather a trial, for I was always ripping section of the plaster away so that I could watch them, or capturing them and making them walk about in jam jars so I could see the way their feet moved. So this Gerald Durrell, this Gary, he was very much fond of animals, especially scorpion, and he loved them, watching each and every moment of the scorpion. जो भी movement उनका होता है, he was really very much fascinated by them. Okay, so he said that you can easily, if you want a glimpse of the scorpion, you can easily always you can see from the ripping section of the plaster, जो plaster उखड़ रहा है. Okay, there you can find and you can watch them. So he also used to do the same thing. So because he was very fond of watching scorpion, so he whenever he get time, he went to his garden. वहाँ पे एक wall थी, and there he used to and there he watch them and spend most of his time watching them. So he captured them and making them walk in the jam jars. जो glass के jars होते थे, he used to keep them there in the jars so that he could see the way their feet moved. So he can notice each and every moment. सिर्फ ये उसको करने के लिए ये सब कुछ करता था, because he was very much passionate, he was very much fond of, very much fascinated by these scorpions. So this is all, student, about the first part of the explanation. Hope you all have understood. Now in next lecture we will discuss the next part of the story. Thank you everybody.